If your commercial truck insurance rates keep climbing, you're not alone. The biggest reason? Social inflation, the wave of massive lawsuits and nuclear verdicts hitting trucking companies across the country. Even if your record is spotless, insurers raise premiums industry-wide to cover those potential payouts. So what can you do about it? The key is proving you're a low-risk operation. Build a strong safety program, document everything for DOT compliance, and use telematics and dash cams to monitor and coach your drivers. Insurers reward fleets that can show real, measurable risk control. Location also matters. Having your home terminal in states like California, Florida, or other high litigation areas will push rates higher than in lower risk regions. And yes, investing in dash cams truly pays off. They protect your drivers, provide evidence after a crash, and can even earn you premium discounts. Truck insurance rates will most likely keep rising in 2026. We're anticipating continued double-digit increases on average. But fleets that demonstrate proactive fleet safety and solid DOT compliance will always have the advantage. For help improving your fleet safety and DOT compliance, check out www.mysafetymanager.com today.